Namaskar to everybody. Now we are going under the healing sounds of the different important organs, out of which kidney is one of the most important organ. Now we will learn about the kidney healing methods to develop immunity to tackle coronavirus. This is the biggest problem in the world now. So, kidney is very important organ. Now, we will learn about the methods. Now, before learning anything, first of all, location, shape, color, sound to be kept in mind, to be remembered. Then only it will give good results, because alternate therapies, color therapy, sound therapy, everything is there. So that's why you have to remember all these things. Now, first of all, location. Location is very important to imagine. Now, where is the kidney located? So, shape of the kidney, bean shape, all of the seeing here. Now, location is under the rib cage. So, rib cage, end of the rib cage, under the rib cage, near the spine, attached to. There are two kidneys. All of you know, right kidney, left kidney. Two kidneys are attached back of the spine, under the rib cage, bottom of the rib cage. The next color is sapphire blue, and the sound is chue. Sound has got more important in all the religions, in spirituality also. So here also, this is one. Now, as you must know that kidney controls the water element. So now, we'll start now. Now, what you have to do is that clasp, sit on the chair, clasp your fingers, then hold the knee, put the knees together, then hold it. Carefully observe. Then pull your hand straight. Then with the third eye, imagine now the location of the kidneys. And shape, pin shape. Pull as much straight. Then imagine some pressure on the kidney region. Then breathe in. Breathe out with the sound chue. Chue. Breathe in. Make sound chue. Clearly observe the pressure is on the kidneys. Then afterwards, next is for every internal organ, there is external organ. So here, for kidneys, also external organ is there, that is ears. So usually whoever has got kidney problems will have ear problem also. So therefore, how to massage the ears, that is the external organs. First of all, you keep your forefinger and middle finger like this, V shape, this, then move upward, downward. Then with the palm, move up and down. That is the breathing in, breathing out, you have to follow. That is. And moreover, one thing, before doing this, first rub your hands until they are hot, so that energy is created. Then rub. Then the third is the ear lobes. Yes. Put your yes. There. Then this is a external ear rub done. Exercise that is. Now the important portion in this is the internal ear also to be massaged, but you can't touch. So that's why internal ear, how to massage, we learn this carefully. We listen. First, you see one bone under this ear. Put the both thumbs there, both sides. You can see it. Then afterwards, these middle fingers to be kept under the skull end of the skull here, dark end of the skull. Now, put these thumbs here, then put here this. Then afterwards, what you have to do is your forefinger and middle finger, like that, you have to make a sound there. That will go to the inside of the ear, inner ear. That is. So now you see here. Now this is very important. Now after internal organ and external organ, then we will come to the smiling. Now cheek, then the cheek. Imagine it that is kidneys. Fine. Because kidneys function throughout our life without stopping. So without in other times, without asking anything for us. If kidneys fail, over. So that is why we must thank it for controlling the water element and continuously working. And also we must thank it and promise it to take as far as possible the clean water, not dirty water. Because to purify water element, it not to be burdened. So then afterwards, you see here, this is right kidney, left kidney, from the navel with the middle finger, this forefinger and ring finger. Just rub. If kidney problem is there, you will feel some pain. It will be breathe in, while breathing out, just apply some pressure and press it and rub. Then next, one more point is all the fingers represent different organs. So little finger represent the kidney. So therefore, it is also to be massaged. It is also to be massaged. So therefore, rotate the thumb, the little finger, while taking breathing. After breathing in, breathe out with pulling with chube. Right? This time also you have to imagine the kidneys. Always that is very important. Breathe in. Breathe out, making the sound chue. Then afterwards, massaging the kidney area. So therefore, it will give you the courage also to do something if you practice this exercise. Now massaging. Now the location of the kidney, now you understood. Now simply with your just rub the kidney area. Just rub. Breathing in, breathing out is a part to be followed. Then afterwards, heat it. If any dust or anything is there, it will be cleansed and the kidney strengthens. Same kidney position. So rubbing and eating the kidneys. Then next is we will come to the reflexology part. Reflexology is also represents all the parts of the body in the palm and foot. Now, kidney area to be massaged. So now kidney area to be massaged in the hand, just press it and rotate. Here also this area, because kidney is both sides. Two kidneys are there, two sides you have to. Then reflexology we remember in legs also. Here, just simply this one under this pad area, just rub. Similarly, the right leg also. The time of the massage must be about 1 to 2 minutes also be taken. If you have kidney problem, definitely there will be pain. And curative method also the same here, diagnosis and also curative. Then next is the meridians. So kidney meridians are there. Many kidney meridians are there, about 27 points are there in here. All we can't explain now. Here, this ankle, inside the ankle, there is a elevated bone here, say, that is also Achilles tendon. Around it, just simply massage. Similarly, right, left leg also. Now, let us come to the food part. Food is a very important part for the life. Now, as far as possible, clean water to be taken, and also food which is in the shape of vegetables and all, which is in the shape of kidneys is always share for the food, select the shape, color, and also consider in the season and take the advice of for doctors and also take the help of the internet and all. Now, dirty water, dust water should not be taken to put the burden on kidneys. That is the about kidneys. Now, all this all to be followed with abdominal breathing to put pressure on the kidney area also, lung area also, all the areas. This abdominal breathing is very important to understand. Now, abdominal breathing, by breathing in this diaphragm area must go inside or press. While breathing out, abdominal area, the diaphragm area must go inside. Now, with this, the kidney healing methods are over. Regularly you practice them, and along with the lung healing and other healings. So, this is very important. I request all of you understand, and if you have doubts anything, you can ask me, and practice it regularly. It will not take not more than 4 or 5 minutes for this, but it is very important. With this, I remain thinking that whatever the knowledge you have gained, you explain, improve the health of others also. With this, I request all of you to be happy, keep good health.